Hey, come closer. Shh, I have to tell you something. It's a top secret mission just for you. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to become a secret bug hunter.
Okay, just imagine this for a second. What if your actual job was to play with the coolest new toys and video games all day long, and your only goal was to try and break them? Wouldn't that be the best job in the entire world?
Well, guess what? That job is totally 100% real, and it has a super cool secret agent name. Are you ready? It's called black box testing. Wow, that sounds cool. So what is black box testing? It's actually really simple. Imagine you get a new toy robot. What do? You press all its buttons to see if it walks or talks or lights up, right? You don't need to open it up and look at all the confusing wires inside. You just play with it from the outside. That is exactly what bug hunters do. All right, secret agent, it's time for our mission briefing. Let's dig in and see what this is all about. So, what are we actually looking for on our mission? Well, first, does it do what it's supposed to do? You know, if you press the jump button, do you actually jump? Then, what happens if you do something silly? Like, what if you type your name in as potato? Does the whole game crash? We also check if it's easy and fun to use. And oh, this is a big one. Does it save your game progress? Because nobody wants to lose all their hard work. Ooh, okay, so who are these mysterious bug hunters? Are they spies, superheroes? Let's meet them. Now listen close, because this is the best secret of all. You do not need to be a computer wizard or know how to code to be an awesome bug hunter. Nope, all you need is a curious mind. So who are these people? Well, some are special testers. That's their whole job. Sometimes the people who made the game makers, check their own work. And my favorite one, sometimes they ask real players just like you to test a game before anybody else in the world gets to play it. How amazing is that? Okay, are you ready, player one? Every great bug hunter has to beat 5 big test levels. It's just like a video game. Here we go. Level 1. This level is called Does It Work? The fancy name is functional testing. We just check the simple stuff. Can you log into the game? Can you collect the shiny coins? Does the jump button make you jump? If all that works, then boom, level 1 complete. On to level 2. The question here is it fast? This is called performance testing. You know that feeling when you're waiting for a game to load and you wait and wait? It's so boring. A bug hunter makes sure the game loads super fast so you can get right to the action. Level 3 is a tricky one. It's called Did We Break Something? This is regression testing. So imagine the game makers fix a bug that made all the dragons fly backwards. Hooray! But a good bug hunter has to go back and check, did fixing the dragons accidentally turn all the castles invisible? You have to make sure fixing one thing didn't break something else. Level 4 is all about you. Do you like it? It's called user acceptance testing. This is where they give the game to real players and just ask, is this fun? Is this part too hard? Is it awesome? Your opinion actually helps make the game better for everyone. And the final level, level 5, let's explore. This is called exploratory testing. On this level, there are no rules. You just go wild. Click everywhere. Try walking through walls. Try jumping on a friendly character's head. You just explore and try random things to see if you can find a funny bug. You did it. You passed all the levels. Now it's time to learn some top secret, awesome testers super moves. These are the special tricks that the pros use. Super move number 1, equivalence partitioning. Wow, that is a big, fancy name, but it's super easy. It just means you test things in groups. So, if a game is for kids aged 1 to 18, you don't test every single age. Instead, you just test 3 groups. You test someone who's too young, like a baby. You test someone who's just the right age, like 10. And you test someone who's too old, like a grown-up. So much smarter, right? Get ready for super move number 2, boundary value analysis. This just means testing the edges, or the limits. Let's say your backpack in a game can hold exactly 1,000 coins. So we test right on that edge. We try picking up 999 coins, it should work. We try exactly 1,000, that should work too. But what about 1,001? The game should stop you and say, nope, your backpack is full. We're testing the boundaries. And now, super move number 3, decision table testing. This is just a way to check all the different combinations. In this game, let's say you can only attack if you have both a sword and magic power. So we make a little chart. If you have a sword and magic, can you attack? Yes. What if you have a sword but no magic? Nope. What about magic but no sword? Still no. We check every combo. And our final super move is state transition testing. This is just checking how the game flows. You start a new game, then you play the game, then you pause it, and then you get to the game over screen. We just make sure you can get from one screen to the next without getting stuck. It's like checking a map to make sure all the roads connect. Woohoo! You did it! Mission complete! You learned all the secrets of a master bug hunter. That was amazing! Let's quickly recap our mission. Okay, first big secret. Black box testing is like playing with a toy. You test it from the outside without looking at the messy wires inside.
Second, and this is so important, anyone can be a bug hunter. You don't need to know how to code, you just need to be curious.
And third, we learned that testers use cool levels and secret super moves to find all the hidden bugs and make games awesome for all of us. But wait, before you go, I have a super cool, totally true fact for you. The very first computer bug was a real bug. I'm not kidding. A little moth got stuck inside a giant old computer and made it stop working. They had to actually get the bug out, and that's why we call computer problems bugs today. How funny is that?
So, your training is complete. You are officially a secret bug hunter. So my question for you is, what would you want to test first? A new video game? A talking robot? A cool website? Go out there and explore. Thanks for joining our secret mission today. Bye!